you know what it means to be in your prime? Do you know this expression?
I need to learn this.
Sure, I'm going to write it for you. And I'm going to pull it up here on Google so we can read about it and we can learn, all of us. Okay, you ready?
Yeah,
I'm going to share my screen. Boom, here we go. In one's prime. Can you see it?
yeah, I can see it.
Yep. When you are in one's prime, it means that you are active and in good health.
Okay.
Usually, people who are in their prime are people that are in different stages of their life, but it basically means their physical health and their mental health has reached its maximal potential, and you're seeing the best version of that person. The proof is in the pudding.
It's in the pudding. I don't know this expression.
Well, here's the second expression I'll be teaching you today.
Yeah, that's good. I'm learning.
The proof of the pudding is a very old proverb. The Oxford Dictionary of Quotations dates it back to the early 14th century. It means that you see the proof in one's actions. You don't want to be old with regrets, right, Catherine?
Yeah.
If you are 70, 80, 90, thinking back to your life, wanting to seize those opportunities you missed, you'd be very frustrated and an angry old man. I'm not going to be an angry old man. And people don't understand that failure is part of success. Because if you're not failing, it means you're not trying. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?